All right, guys. Today we're at one of our subscribers here up in San Fernando. His name is Fred, and he's brought us over here to his house. And I figured I'd give you guys a tour of his house so you can see what see the difference in the house here and see what they look like compared to our apartment. So yeah, let's take the tour around. Oh. There are the girls up there. All right, we're going to take a little tour here and the inside the house here. I'm going to show you around. Let me go this way first. This is inside. It's like a little walkway that goes around the house itself. Very nice here. As you can see, tile floors. This is the outside. Very beautiful here. Very nice. He's in a subdivision here. A little parking spot over here for his trike. He's got a super nice trike. Actually had this trike built. It's a little bit bigger than the average trikes that are here. Let me come around the front. I'll show you the front here. It's like I said, he had it personally built. It's a lot bigger. When you sit inside, you're not jammed in there. So yeah, let's take a walk. That's one of the gates here that he opens up to bring his trike in here. Gonna go inside here now. Show you a tour inside. This here's the inside. Nice big living room area here, dining room area here. Kids are here watching cartoons. But yeah, you see it's nice. It's big and open. In through here, this is his own personal office. Nice big office in here. Each room he has air conditioning here, so it's nice and cool. But yes, this is a nice big office here. Back out in the living room here. Earlier we had a nice big feast right here. It was excellent. Had some potato salad, some pork, chicken, baked beans. What else do we have? Oh, we just had a nice big feast. Some macaroni.
And barbecue.
Barbecue. We actually had some, we had some San Miguel's. we actually had some nice good sausage too.
Yes.
They cooked on the grill. This is one of his spare bedrooms here. I don't know if I can hit a light. Pick up yeah, there we go. This is one of the spare bedrooms here. Nice big open spare bedroom. It's got its own private bathroom back in here. Let me turn on the light quick. There you go. Has its own private bathroom back in here. All right, come on out here again. But yeah, I mean, this room here, this is a spare room, and I'd say it's probably the size of, if not bigger than our room in our apartment we have. Another spare room over here. I won't turn the light on in here, but it's got its own private bathroom also. Then here's the master bedroom. Very big, awesome big master bedroom here, as you can see. This is probably the size of our, well, actually this is bigger than the size of our living room. Then you guys are going to check this bathroom out here. It's awesome. Nice huge big bathroom here. Nice big mirror right there. It's a cool bathroom. Very big, very spacious. But yeah, he hooked this up. Fred actually moved here right after the eruption of Mount Pinatubo in '91. So Fred's been up in this area since '91. Before that, Fred spent, I think he told me, almost 10 years in Thailand. So he spent a lot of time in the Asia area here. Then we come back, and here's his nice big kitchen here. It's got a nice gas stove right here. Really nice big gas stove. It's got all of his appliances. But yeah, you can see it's a nice, big, spacious kitchen. Then we come through this door. And this is his back, I guess his back wash area, or no, he has a washer, yes. He does have a washer and a dryer, but this is like his back deck patio area here. Nice big open area back here. He has a water purifying system here that he had put in. Now we come back through here. And back here is his washer and dryer. Another little CR off to the side here. This is his laundry room, his washer and dryer area here. It's another big room here with his washer and dryer. Let me turn this light off. And we come back through here. He's got this, he told us he's got these bug zappers here. Let me see, right there. He's got these bug zappers throughout his outside area here. He said he has no problem with mosquitoes, has no problem with dengue fever here. But yeah, this is a nice rubber snake right there. Watch out, might get you. There's another bug zapper. Yeah, we're going to go back outside and check out his backyard here. Now here's the backyard area.
So you did the right thing.
This here is, this is your avocado tree, right? This is his avocado tree that you're looking at.
If you're looking for snack, this is mango.
And then this is his mango tree here. In the back here, you see back here, he's got a couple banana trees back in here. Now this little house here, he had built for his brother. He's got such a good brother, don't he? But yeah, let's take a little walk inside and check out his other house he has here on his property. Now he said he had built this for his brother. But his brother hasn't moved over here yet. He bought it for his, or built it for his brother, and told his brother anytime he's ready to come over here that he has a house to stay in. But you can see it's nice, it's big, it's spacious. Got a little CR over there. Here are the steps leading upstairs to the upstairs. Take a little walk up there. All right, here's the upstairs area. I don't know if this is like a little seating area or what it would be, but I would imagine like a little seating area. I don't think it's big enough for a bed, but I guess if you had to, you could put a bed in here. But this is one of the rooms upstairs here. And then this is the bedroom up here. As you can see, pretty spacious bedroom, pretty nice. Got the sink, little CR over there on the side. But yeah, it's a nice little house he built here for his brother. And then he has this area out here. It's like a little balcony area that you can come out. I guess you could throw a couple seats up here on the balcony and hang out. And this is the view from up here of his development that he lives in. But yeah, like I said, Fred is one of our subscribers, and he was kind enough. Well, actually, we had met Fred. We actually had met Fred maybe like a month or so ago up in Angeles City, hung out, got to know Fred, and then Fred invited us all down. So we're down here. It's me, it's Tuk Tuk Callie, Lucas Musser, Fred, and our wives, and we're just kind of hanging out here. having a feast, enjoying the day, and yeah, it's very nice here. And thank you, Fred, for inviting us. Appreciate it. All right, guys, so remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Give me some likes, dislikes, thumbs up, thumbs down. Leave some comments. I'll do my best to get back to you. But yeah, it's just another simple day here in the Philippines. All right, we'll talk to you guys later.